Help us to keep the coaches litter-free and maintain cleanliness.
Please don't.
Guys, mute yourself, please.
सिद्धांत एक बार आप ग्रुप में लिख दीजिएगा ना, फॉर्म वो बना देता है एडमिन। क्या जो ज्वाइन कर ले। ठीक है, फकरुद्दीन, लिखिता राम, अपना सीवी शेयर करिएगा। सेंड योर सीवी टू अस।
Hello, sir. That number, it is coming as the number is not on WhatsApp, sir.
Yes, it is there. 8101179806.
Just 1 second, sir. I'll just again try. 1 second.
Sir, I have sent. Can you check?
Just a second. No? Okay.
Guys, write your name one by one in the chat box, and we will accordingly resume your resume.
Yes.
Okay.
Write one by one in the chat.
Write your name.
Okay. First, I'll do Fakhruddin. Okay, and WhatsApp me also. Save my number also at the same time. Okay. Please kindly save my number also, so that it is easier for me. Okay. Just a second. Fakhruddin. Okay. You save my number, huh? Okay. So this is your CV, right? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Write your name in the chat box. Huh? Whoever first come first service. Whoever you write the name.
Sir, not this one. I have sent you again the latest.
Latest. Okay. Just a second. I have received only this one. Okay. Yeah.
This one, the PDF.
This one, no? Business finance.
Yes, sir.
Kindly mute the video. Okay, make it a one-page resume first. Okay, you're May 23 qualified, right? CA May 23 qualified, correct?
Yes.
Am I audible? Yeah. So make it one-page CV first of all. Okay, and after qualification in Article C, after Article C also you have done something. Okay, out here, no? MS review and
Yes, sir.
okay, assistant in rebate booking, contribution in this. These lines that you have written, a contribution in automation of existing process, what value addition have you done because of this? Write it down. Like you have assisted in rebate bookings. Let's specify what is the thing in this. involved in a monthly MIS reviews with the management team and business leads for analyzing the gross margin of the business, which led to some benefit. Okay, to write the benefit, but what benefit does your work has contributed to the organization? To write that also. Okay. Assisted a client in health sector,
Okay.
automobile sector in filing of annual returns. Okay. Conducted. Now, what were your observations during this annual return? If you write that, it will be very good. Okay, you have assisted and you found out that there were certain mistakes out here. Conducted GST audit and filing an INC for clients of this having turnover of around this, NBFC having turnover of 200 crores. Okay. In GST audit, what were your observations? Okay, but now GST audit is no more relevant. Okay, so if you remove this, it will be better. Conducted tax audit and filed this income tax return for 50% individuals. Involved in planning execution of stat audit, okay, operating across this. Lead a group of 5 and ensure effective performance of the duties. You can remove this line, lead a group of this and ensure effective performance of the duties. Okay. You can remove this line. Ensure proper corporate compliance by preparing filing appropriate multiple this preparation of financial statement. Okay. Do you prepare financial statement or review financial statement?
The preparation and review.
The preparation is done by management, I guess, na? So you can say review.
But
Okay,
sometimes
preparation
we
what
are
will-
doing bookkeeping.
Okay. Preparation of financial projections for obtaining the loans from financial institutions. Internal audit of the company in the steel industry having turnover of this. Okay. In internal audit of the company in steel industry having turnover of 80 plus crores. Okay. What work you've done in internal audit? What procedures that you have handled? So if you have to write that, that will be much more promising out here. Insert smooth transition from VAT to GST and file the GST return for 70 plus clients. Mention the client name out here from whom you have done these things, about 1 or 2 client names. One of the major clients, or write them one of the major clients out here. Okay, filing of form 15 CA, this for this one, maintenance of books of accounts. You can remove this maintenance of books of accounts. It does not look good. You can write also remove this also, preparation of financial statement, later group of 5 article assistants. This is not that great work. Okay. And this thing, okay, which you have written, this should come at the top. Okay. And then about the achievement, okay. Achievement, captain volleyball. You can write 2 achievements out here. House captain, you can write you captain volleyball team. Okay. Exemption and all, you can remove this. Selected as this 1 or 2 achievement will be more than enough. And 1 or 2 key skills will be more than enough. Avoid these personal details. Avoid this personal interest. This is creating, and that's why you will be able to do in 1 page only. Okay, remove this, remove this. It will save your space also. 1 line, this one, and 2 points in achievements, more than enough. Okay, and this education has to come at the top. Okay, and this thing that you have to remove later group of 5 article assistants, preparation, you can remove this. Okay, internal audit, you have to write the procedure name. What are the procedures that you have performed in internal audit? Perioding the stream industry, those things you have to prepare it properly. And I think 1 cover letter also will be helpful out here. One, if you have a cover letter out here. Okay, so make it all little bit better, I guess. And even this in this work I have written involved in monthly MIS reviews with the management team and business heads. So what value addition have you done? If you write that, it will be much better. Anything that you've done, something which is value addition to the firm, to the organization, to the client, so that will be looking good in your CV. Okay. Having a domestic experience in this and this in the quest of a career. This looks like a copy paste. Okay. And this will be not profile, it will be career objective. Career objective. Okay. Career objective. This will be career objective. Okay. So you have to improve your CV. Okay. Before you upload it. And you can also join our program also, where you can help in everything. Okay. In interviews and everything. And any other area that you feel that you need our help, career related, any doubts you have relating to career, Mohammed? Doubt in relation to career?
I am a bit confused between which domain to choose.
Okay, that we have a video on that. Okay, you can go through that video. It is in English only. You go through my playlist. Okay, which career to choose. Okay, and our program also is there where we can help you in interviews and everything. So you can go through this playlist properly. What after CA? So this will be helpful to you. Okay. How many attempts you have? How many attempts? Mohammed?
4 attempts, sir.
Good attempts, huh? So try to get into campus first, okay? Prepare for campus properly because on fill the campus form. 27 is the last date, I guess. So don't delay. That is very, very important. And try to focus first on the campus interview and then later on off campus. Might suggestion, okay? Okay, and my team member, I'm giving you the number also. Your name is Mohammed, na? You have saved my number. Any help now? He will help you out, okay? Siddhant sir,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
giving you the number, okay? Okay, next time.
Okay. And
Yeah.
just wanted to add one thing
Mhm.
in Fakhruddin's resume. Fakhruddin, you need to make it like one pager, like as Ghanshyam sir told you, because no company is going to hire you if you like give the resume of 2 pager. Okay. Try to incorporate as many things in the one page itself.
Okay,
One
sir.
page.
Got it. Thank you.
Next, I've given number also, Siddhant sir. Okay, you can connect with me and later on also, not a problem. Huh? Next is Saujanya. Saujanya, not a problem. You
Yes,
can
sir.
make changes and once again review with me, not a problem. Huh? How much? Okay, Saujanya, once put on high so that I can recognize in WhatsApp. So how many messages are there? Na? Saujanya.
Sorry, sir.
Put a hi in WhatsApp. You send me a resume in WhatsApp so that I can find out your name once.
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay, sir.
Mhm. And please kindly save my number because I'm not able to see your DP only in most of the cases. DP is
Yeah,
not
I
available.
already saved your number, sir.
You saved, na?
Yeah.
No problem. Many of them have not
Yeah.
saved, so please save my number so that it will help you. And whichever groups you are there, join that. Okay. Okay. And you can once you make the changes, you again review with me, not a problem. Huh? Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you are able to see now. So this CV is not good at all. Okay. Photo is not needed. Okay. Mm, you have to improve a lot actually. I think the articleship
Okay, sir.
experience is not that done. Okay, this is looking like a copy paste message. Okay, you have just written it for the sake of writing. So you have to work very hard. I have to say this. Articleship is not done that great. It is looking like that. Am I correct?
Okay, sir.
Articleship is not
No,
that
sir,
great.
actually,
Hmm.
I have posted, I have written whatever I did in that during the article sheet.
But
Just in a,
limited exposure.
yeah,
You have to
not
mention
limited
the
exposure, sir.
client name. You have to write client name.
Okay.
Client name you need to write. What have you have done? Because you've written handle stat audit. Okay, handle stat audit में क्या किया? What you have done in stat audit? Internal audit you have done. What you have done in that? You have to write. You have to be specific. Okay, what you are writing it down. Stock audit. Stock audit. What are the procedures you have applied in bank audit, in concurrent audit, or you have done stat audit, LFAR report, whatever it is. You have to be very much specific and in detail. You have to write everything. Okay. Assisted in preparation of financial statement and reports. I think you review financial statement. You don't prepare financial statements. So you have to write accordingly, I feel. And even out here, you have written very specific things, okay? General things. Write more specific, go into details. Otherwise, nobody will be interested. I'm sorry. And photo is not required in CV. So this format has to be changed totally. Okay. Format has to be changed. You have to work very hard. Okay. How many attempts you have?
Sir, actually it is 6 attempts, sir.
6 attempts. You have to work very hard. I will give you Siddhant sir number also. And this link also has to be clickable link. Okay. This needs to be clickable link. This format will be changed. Okay. I'm giving you Siddhant sir number. After
Sure,
the session,
sir.
you connect with him. Okay. You need a lot of help. I
Okay.
say. Okay. No problem. We will help you out. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
actually,
just wanted to add one thing, sir,
sir,
in
actually I
Sojanya's
had
resume.
it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir.
Yeah, so Sojanya, as Ghanshyam sir rightly said, your CVs look like a basic CV, like you have applied for articleship somewhere. Okay. And believe me, there are a lot of applicants who have like good resume than you. Okay. So definitely you don't stand a chance with those candidates. You need to put a lot of hard work in your
But
CV
with
itself.
yeah.
Okay.
But if you put the hard work, I'm telling you, you will do very well. I'm telling you that. Okay. You need to put hard work, how to make the CV, be specific or whatever you have done. If you're not remembering, we'll help you out. Okay. Interview and everything, but need to be little hard working in this. This will not work well. Okay. If you upload this in campus, even the career spelling is mistake. There is a mistake in career spelling also.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So you have to work little hard. This CV, please don't upload anywhere. Okay. Okay. Next.
Okay, sir.
Next is who's?
So, sir, I have a doubt. Do I need to prepare in one page or more than a page?
I think one page. One page is read, but format has to be changed and everything. Siddhant sir will help you out after the meeting, or not a problem. Okay. Well, I've given his number
Okay,
also.
sir.
So Jania Fakruddin is there. Next, Tirumal Reddy, I think I've taken your na on. I think Sai Likita. You can put an hi,
Sir,
okay,
hello.
what WhatsApp, so that
Yes.
it is easier for me. Sai Likita.
Yes, sir. 1 second. I'm just putting it.
Hi. Write hi in the WhatsApp,
Yes,
or
sir.
write it in the CV.
Send, sir.
Save my number, Sai Likita. You have not saved the number, I
Sir,
guess. You have saved the
no,
number.
sir. I
Let's
don't
have-
have. No. I don't have DP, sir. I don't have.
Okay, no problem. You saved my number, no, but okay.
Yes, I did. I don't have.
Yes, a second. Let me check it. Okay. Income tax work you have done in responsible field. Okay. This. Format is good. We have done majorly taxation work, which I am able to see in the CV.
Yes. Yeah. In
But I
my
would
firm
suggest
only
the problem with the taxation, the market. How many attempts you have?
2, sir. No failure. Just I
Okay.
attempted single group only.
Good. So you have done basically, I think, income tax work that you have done. Okay. So your scope is getting a little bit
sir.
restricted, I guess, because income tax market is not that great. Okay. Litigation is not that great. So vacancies you will not get. You will not get any vacancy in the campus interview for sure. So off campus you have to work hard to get a vacancy. So I would suggest that you will also learn stat audit, internal audit also a little bit. Try to get into finance domain. Try to write something on that also, project reporting. So that is a thing. GST also should be. So little bit, that is the problem I am saying. I'm able to see right now. Regarding the format and all, you have done a little good. The format is not bad. Everything is good. But the problem is with, you might face the problem with, it will be with the, you have only one field experience. So if you don't get vacancy
Yes.
out there, or even if you get vacancy, you're not able to crack the interview there, then you will be in trouble later on. So please make sure that you need to improve your knowledge of all the domains so that you have much more chances than the other people. Okay. Okay, I will share you the number of Siddhant sir also. CV is very good. CV format is very good, but this is the area where you have to work hard, I will say. Yes, Siddhant sir number I will give you. Okay, and we have program also on this so that you can learn about state, internal, everything. You can prepare for interviews for everything. And also, I think you have filled the campus form. If anybody is still waiting and not filled the campus form, trust me, if you don't fill the campus form, it will be a big mistake, because getting a job in off campus is very difficult and getting a job in campus is slightly easier. So make sure that fill the campus form very quickly. We have another group also for campus. If you not receive the same, we will help you out, but make sure everybody fills the campus form and don't wait for the last day. There might be technical glitch and all. So it will be a big mistake then, I think so. Okay. So everyone, please fill the campus form and don't wait for the last date. I am very surprised that how can people wait for the last date? I think you guys, you feel that there are a lot of job opportunity in the market. I say that I am in this industry for 6 years. There are very few opportunities off campus, and 13,000 CAs have already qualified this time. Okay, so you have to work very hard to get a job. So campus is the best resort. And I think there is a fear in the market that campus will not get shortlisted. I'm telling you, in off campus, getting an interview, getting selected in an interview is much more difficult, because the interview is a lot more, there are a lot of rounds are there, and it is very time consuming also. But in campus, interviews are very short, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. So that's why please fill your campus form. Don't Don't tell, maybe your senior has bad luck in campus, they did not get the link. It does not mean you will also have the bad luck. Okay. So campus is something which you should be must feel, because you have big campus, small campus, then institute also brings another campus also. Okay. So don't make this mistake. Okay. And fill the campus form very quickly. Okay. Okay. Then next, please. I've given you number, okay, of Siddhant sir, okay, and you save my number, Sai Likita, okay, not a problem. I will also
And
save.
sir, just wanted to add one thing to all of the candidates. Guy, please apply on the campus. Don't rely on the off campus as of the moment, because you will get good opportunities in the on campus. Believe me, like I have seen students who have done like dummy articleship and got selected in the GDS, EY GDS with a package of 16 LPA with our assistance and with our program. Okay. If you just
Yes.
follow our guidance, and definitely you're going to get selected in the on campus. That we can assure you.
Yes, yes. Campus interview is something that everybody should be giving, I think. Okay. Next. Rajat Agarwal, I can see. Okay, Rajat Agarwal, you are there. Rajat Agarwal. He's not responding. Next, please. Sudhir Kumar.
Yes, sir. I have sent in WhatsApp.
Just send me once hi, okay? And please save Siddhant's number. After the session, you can connect with him. You can send your resume once again. Okay.
Yes, sir. I have sent it.
And this is not the time to relax. I'm telling you. If you relax now, then next 5 years you have to be facing a lot of difficulties. I will say that for sure. Don't relax right now. After you get the
Sir,
job,
I
then
have
you can
sent.
relax. Yeah, I got your CV. After you get the
Sir,
job,
I have
then you
sent
can relax. I got your CV. Yeah, Sudhir Kumar, na? I think the CV is too lengthy. Okay, so this is not required. Declaration is not required. These personal details are not required. Okay.
Sir, I have sent one more resume, sir. One page.
One more. Okay.
Yeah.
Have you saved my number, na?
Yeah, yes, sir. I have saved it.
Good. Okay, this is your CV. The second photo is not needed that much. Okay. You will also save your number. Just a second. You save my number as Ghanshyam sir. Huh? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Second. Okay, this CV to remove photo. This again colorful. Too much of colors are there. This is not required, and in not too much details on articles. If you have to be much more detailed on an article, if like you have done handle stat audit, okay, so what work you have done in stat audit, that is the interviewer will be much more interested to see. In GST audit, what you have done, in tax, what you have done, be precise. Okay, write the client names, client details, what value addition you have done to the client. You just written that you have done this, but what you have done, that is more important. Okay, so they need some details. Okay? So this CV has to be improved, I guess. And yeah, see, this is a specific session I'm taking for South Indians only. So you should be subscribing to our channel, okay? And tell to all your friends, okay, to subscribe, and they can connect with me, okay? Because there are a lot less people to guide for South Indians. That's why we are taking the special session for you all only, okay? And you connect with the answer. This has to be improved, okay, bro? I think so. This has to be improved a lot. You have to write client details in deep details. Okay. I would suggest, I will give you one hint. Okay. When you're writing a CV, okay, what you need to do. Okay. I think somebody's noise is coming that is distracting me. When you're writing a CV, you just remember what are the things that you have done in articleship. Okay. Make 2 to 4 pages of articleship experience only. Discuss with the friends also what they have done, and then you write the client name and everything properly. Because the more you write in deep detail about the articleship, what value addition you have done, any major observation that you had, it will look very good in your CV. Okay, and the interviewer might feel that you have a good amount of practical knowledge. Otherwise, they might think that you might have done dummy also. Okay, that is the why I'm saying you to write too much details on your articleship experience. Okay. And like strength, you have written quick learner, analytical skill, team management, handling pressure. Now this is you don't have to write these things, strength and all. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Core competency is also not required. This has to be improved. Okay, lot. Okay, next. I've given you a number of Siddhansar. Later on, you can connect up to him. Okay, not a problem. I think Danish Ahmad. I can see Danish Ahmad. Guys,
Hello, sir. Yeah.
please write your name in the chat box so that I can take one by one. Because whoever is writing in the chat box, I'm taking them only. Okay, and WhatsApp me also. Danish Ahmad. Yes. And please subscribe to our channel. This is our channel and follow me in LinkedIn as well. And if you're CA, you please watch this playlist, watch after CA. In this, everything you will find it out. In this content, you will find all the things which is required for you. Many people have a doubt on which career to pursue, which are the domains. Okay, so you will find it everything out here. Which domain will be better for you, how to prepare for campus interview. Arpita, your voice is coming. Okay. Okay, Danis. Just a second.
I've sent it through WhatsApp, sir.
Yes. I hope you have saved my number also, Danis. Okay, whenever.
Yes, I already saved.
Okay, Danis, just a second. I will also save your number. So I've given you his answer number also. You can connect later after the session. Again, this is too much law.
Sure, sir.
You have written your name in such a bold capital, it not required, and again too much of details out here which is not needed. See, articleship experience. Okay, this can be much more elaborate. I see that you have done work, but you can have to elaborate properly, client name, details, and everything. And what have that you have done? First time adoption of Indians of an e-commerce company. Write the company name. Don't worry on writing the company name. Write the company name. Okay. So you have done good articles. It looks like, but you have to the internal audit of various entities. Be specific. Okay. You have done internal audit of XYZ organization of so and so branch in which you have performed this procedure and you find out this mistake. Like this, if you write now, be specific with your details. Everybody is making similar mistakes. I see. Okay. Stat audit of various organizations, various what, write the name and what have you done in stat audit, which area you have particularly performed out there. You might have done vouching verification of particular area, to write that. Roll back, roll forward procedure in inventory, whatever you have done now, please be specific what you have done in your audit so that they can ask you question directly with that also. Achievement, you can write 1 or 2 achievement, don't write too many achievements. Okay. Soft skill, technical expertise. Yeah. So everybody is making similar mistakes. What I see, okay, that articleship experience need to be very much specific. You have to write about the client name and deep down the grill, they will grill. Okay. So make sure that you write the what work exactly you have done out here. Okay. Next I will see. Okay. And format has to be changed totally. Okay. 9 minutes are only left. Okay. Rajat Agarwal. And after Rajat Agarwal, no one is there. I guess everybody has done. I hope. Whoever has come, everybody has done. If anybody is left, please write in the chat box. I see only Rajat Agarwal. Rajat Agarwal, are you there?
Yeah, hi, sir.
Hello. Just a second. Although this session was for South Indian, I allowed you in the session, no problem, because I felt that's
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, you've done internal audit basically, I see, and
Yes.
When did you qualify? December 21. Okay.
Correct.
Internal audit. Okay. What problem are you facing right now?
Sir, actually, I'm looking for a job switch right now, and currently I'm working with a company named Payable Digital Services Private Limited. It's a fintech company in Gurugram. So I just want to switch from the company because I want to have a exposure in the big four or big consulting firm also.
Internal audit you have done in Spellbound Audit Private Limited. Okay.
Yeah. Basically, I'm on the payroll of Spellbound Audit, but currently I'm working for the client only.
Good. You can also work overseas also, Dubai, Bahrain.
Yeah, I can work on.
After the session, I will give you the number of sir Siddhansar once you connect with him. Your name, Rajat, no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Just a second, please. Give me a number. Anyone else? Yeah. Anyone else?
Any suggestion you want to give for the CV if you want to? Yeah.
About the suggestion in CV. CV is not bad. Okay, it's good. You have written
Thank you.
everything properly and you have appropriate way you have done. It is good. It's just that you have to just apply more. You have done internal audit morely. I would suggest if you can write some numbers also out here, it would be better. So that it will be much more looking good. I think definitely internal audit you can get.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Sorry to interrupt, sir. You are asking for what number?
Like whatever you have done internal audit engagements, okay, and you found out some value addition you have done to the organization, any money that you have saved for them, or any observations that you have found out, recommendation which has saved so and so amount of money for that firm. If you can write that, it will be looking much more promising. For example, you save 50 crores for the client. Any observation आपने निकाला कुछ तो कि बड़ा fraud था.
So we can mention that in the
any major observation that you found out, any fraud that you found out, that this is the thing that I found out, it has to be genuine. It should not be a makeup story, but क्योंकि फिर आपको
I got that.
पर ऐसा कुछ आपको लगा
you mean to say कि अगर आपने करा है तो आपको एटलीस्ट उसको फिर वहां पे बोलना भी पड़ेगा जब आप मेंशन कर रहे हो तो उसको एटलीस्ट आपको फिर
आप अगर चाहे अगर वो कॉन्फिडेंट आपको लग रहा है, इफ यू आर फीलिंग दैट यू शुड नॉट मेंशन द क्लाइंट नेम बिकॉज वो आपका इंडिपेंडेंस को अफेक्ट कर रहा है, तो डोंट मेंशन द क्लाइंट नेम बट राइट कि दिस मच अमाउंट ऑफ मिस्टेक आई फाउंड इन वन ऑफ द क्लाइंट ट्रेडिंग फर्म और दिस फर्म, दैट वे यू कैन राइट, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. इंडिपेंडेंस आपका अफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके like this you can
and what about anything else, sir?
CV is good. CV is not bad. Your CV is not bad.
Okay.
I think font size आप 11 कर सकते हैं, आप 10 करके रखा हमको लग रहा है.
ओ सर 11 अगर मैं कर रहा हूँ ना तो वो प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो ना फिर वो सेकंड पेज पे जा रहे हैं, आई डोंट वांट टू मेक
आप थोड़ा सा वो तो बात सही है, आप थोड़ा सा ऊपर लाइए. ये जो रजत अग्रवाल को ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर लाएंगे ना, थोड़ा करेंगे तो हो जाएगा.
हाँ तो वो शायद हो जाएगा, मैं एक बार ट्राई करता हूँ उसको, अगर हो जाता तो वेरी गुड.
Font size everyone keep 11 times New Roman and 11 size. Right.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. माधवी आप व्हाट्सएप करिए, डू व्हाट्सएप माधवी, व्हाट्सएप. ओके नंबर सेव किया माधवी आपने? यस माधवी
सर कर दिया व्हाट्सएप मैंने.
आप कहाँ से हो?
यस सर.
गाजियाबाद यूपी.
आई एम फ्रॉम गाजियाबाद
यूपी ना. यूपी से बहुत लोग आते हैं. फोटो नहीं देना है जी, फोटो का दरकार नहीं है, ठीक है, फोटो इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इसमें. ठीक है, आपने जब जीएसटी का काम किया, व्हाट आई एम एबल टू सी.
यस सर.
ओके ठीक है, आपने
ऑडिट्स वगैरह भी
किया है पर आपको सब स्पेसिफिकली बताना पड़ेगा कौन सा क्लाइंट का किया है और क्या काम किया है. ठीक है, इंटरनल ऑडिट में काम क्या किया है, स्टैट ऑडिट में काम क्या किया है, दैट इज मिसिंग. ये सब नहीं लिखने का दरकार है. इतना दरकार नहीं है. आपको एक फॉर्मेट ग्रुप में भी दे देंगे, आपको थोड़ा ये इम्प्रूव करना पड़ेगा फॉर्मेटिंग को. ठीक है, आप सीवी में डालेंगे कैंपस में तो दिक्कत आएगा आपको. हम लोग का प्रोग्राम भी ये सब चीज आपको अच्छा से समझा देगा. आपको मेरा नंबर कहाँ से मिला था? व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. क्या
सर? रेफरेंस से, मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने रेफर किया था.
नाम क्या है फ्रेंड का?
सीए अर्पित.
सीए अर्पित.
ओके हाँ
ओके. मेरा चैनल
रेफर किया था,
उसने हम लोग का प्रोग्राम
कैंपस ही कराया.
हाँ
Sir, I just wanted to add one thing in Madhvi's resume. Madhvi, see, and to all the candidates, you don't have to put up your photograph in your resume only, since you're a fresher only, okay? And that photograph is taking like almost so much space of your resume, so that is not required. You can add some work instead of that, and resume or like interview is definitely going to get impressed by that, okay? You don't have to put like this person like Sojanya has also like mentioned the profile picture. The format, you don't have to take the format that contains like other profile pictures. Since you're a fresher, so interviewers don't require that. Okay. And Madhvi, just one more thing, like you haven't done like accounting stuff during your articleship,
Yes, sir.
Tally and all
I
that.
had done, yes, sir,
So
accounting
have
and
you mentioned in
audits and all.
okay, so you have to be like very detailed about that. Like I've done these and these entries also. Like that is very good. You have, oh, okay, you have mentioned that. Okay, fine, fine.
I
But
think
the
we have.
resume format needs to be changed. Like
Yeah,
okay,
format has to be changed. Okay, after the meeting, this meeting will end. You can connect with Siddhant sir. Siddhant sir will connect one by one with everybody. And if anybody has missed reviewing me, you can WhatsApp me. I will connect with you personally. Okay. All of them have to change your CV. I sorry to say, but almost everyone's CV, apart from one guy who was actually experienced. Okay, his CV was good. Okay, almost everybody needs to change their CV. This CV, if you upload in campus, trust me, कंपनी आना मुश्किल हो जाएगा आप लोग का कंपनीज विल कम वेरी लेस एंड इफ यू डोंट गेट जॉब इन कैंपस देन इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट एक्चुअली ठीक है तो प्लीज वर्क हार्ड ऑन योर सीवी and please subscribe my channel and follow our program also. You can join also. It will be very helpful if you join our program also. Okay, thank you so much and tell your friends also to
Thank you,
subscribe
sir.
our channel and they can connect with me anytime. Thank you.